Today we are diving into the XREAL Air 2 Pro paired with the Beam Pro. Whether you're into immersive AR experiences or just want to elevate your entertainment or productivity setup, this combo has a lot to offer. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. XREAL provided me the Air 2 Pro glasses and the Beam Pro for free to test and review. Right out of the box, the XREAL Air 2 Pro stands out with its sleek, modern design. It's lightweight and feels premium, just what you expect from a high-end AR device. Comfort is key for long sessions, and these glasses nail that perfectly. They come with zero pressure nose pads and a 3-level temple adjustment. The glasses only weigh 75 grams or 2.6 ounces. The Beam Pro is compact, durable, and designed to pair perfectly with the Air 2 Pro. Together, they create a seamless setup that's built for both productivity and entertainment. Enjoy spatial display and expand your spatial experience like never before. The Beam Pro is Android-based and is currently the only spatial computing AR companion device that comes with Google Play Store apps out of the box. It is the first mass-produced AR space computing terminal that supports 3D shooting and recording functions. The dual main cameras are set 50mm apart, close to the human's eyes interpupillar distance, providing a more realistic and comfortable experience. Setting up the XREAL Air 2 Pro with the Beam Pro is super straightforward. They connect via USB-C cable, which seems old school in the world of wireless everything, but it has its benefits. A wired connection means you get zero latency and a reliable link between the two devices, ideal for tasks where precision is key. All you need to do is to plug in the USB-C cable and you're ready to go. I've used this setup with my iPhone, my iPad and my MacBook Pro, and the connection was flawless. No complicated setup, no extra apps, just plug and play. Now let's talk about performance. The XREAL Air 2 Pro delivers an immersive AR experience with a 130-inch virtual screen, perfect for watching movies, gaming or even working on the go. The picture quality is crystal clear, with vibrant colors that really bring the content to life. With the Beam Pro, you can stream content from almost any device, turning this setup into a portable home theater or gaming station. It's incredibly versatile and doesn't require any extra hardware. In real-world use, the XREAL Air 2 Pro and Beam Pro combo really excels in both entertainment and productivity. For starters, watching videos on YouTube, Netflix or any streaming device is an absolute joy. It feels like you're sitting in your own private cinema with a massive virtual screen that brings content to life. Whether you're at home or relax in your camper van, this setup makes streaming an immersive experience. The picture quality is phenomenal and you generally feel like you've got a massive screen right in front of you. I've watched movies, TV shows and even tutorials on YouTube, and the experience is like having your own theater anywhere you go. But the XREAL Air 2 Pro isn't just for entertainment, it's also a game changer for work. Whether you're handling emails, documents or even video editing, the virtual screen allows you to set up a 3-monitor workspace wherever you are. It's like having a full workstation that fits in your backpack. I've used this for video editing while camping and it's incredible. I can have my timeline on media on one screen, my full preview on another and my emails on a third. No need for bulky monitors or extra equipment. It's perfect for anyone who needs a portable workspace, whether you're traveling or just want to work outside. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of the XREAL Air 2 Pro and Beam Pro combo. The XREAL Air 2 Pro is lightweight and comfortable, making it easy to wear for extended periods. The Beam Pro adds great flexibility, allowing you to stream content from various devices with ease. The virtual screen offers a truly immersive experience, whether you're watching movies, gaming or working on a multi-monitor setup. The wired USB-C connection is reliable, but some users may prefer a wireless option for more freedom of movement. Compatibility can be a minor issue. Some devices might require adapters if they don't have native USB-C ports. The glasses don't support all apps or features across every platform, which might limit their full functionality depending on what you're using. So, is the XREAL Air 2 Pro and Beam Pro combo worth it? Absolutely. If you're looking for an immersive AR experience that balances both entertainment and productivity, this setup delivers in spades. The combination of high-quality visuals, comfort and ease of use make it a top choice for anyone seeking a portable cinema or workstation. Whether you're watching your favorite shows or editing a video in the great outdoors, this combo is built to enhance your experience. Check out this video next to learn more about filmmaking and filmmaking gear and how to use them. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye for now.